Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to merge tickets in Zendesk. All right, it is actually pretty easy to do. Well, first up, go ahead and log into your Zendesk account. Now, once you're in here, make sure that you are in the tickets section. In here, under tickets, go ahead and select the ticket. All right, for example, I wanted to merge this ticket to another. All right, I'm just going to open this ticket up. Now, once done, I'm going to go ahead over to the three dots right here. All right, and click on it. Now let's just go ahead and click on merge into another ticket. All right, just click on it. As you can see here we have our main ticket, which is right here. Now you're going to want to enter a ticket ID to merge into. If you memorize the ticket ID, go ahead and put that in here, or you can just go ahead and select these tickets below. Okay. For example, I wanted to merge it on ticket number 6 right here. I'm just going to click on it. And it says here, you're merging tickets information across different requesters. This could result in the unintentional sharing of sensitive data. If you're really sure, just go ahead and click on the blue button, which just says continue merge. Click on it and another page will pop up just for good measure. All right, as you can see here, if you're really sure, again, just click on confirm and merge. Wait for it to load. As you can see here, it is merging. It says here, the two tickets has been merged successfully. And that's basically how you do it. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.